televidente bambino, tradizione Timeout. Ahora en Timeout ponemos un gran honor de directamente por de Los Ángeles, en América. Los amigos Sean Scaroborough, que também está organizando um camp de basquetebol aqui na Aruba, dia 17 para 28 de julho. Lá que nós vamos para um Timeout cortico, se que nós vamos nós estamos apiando com Sean Scaroborough. Televidente, danke perché non conosco, sono con Sean Scaroborough. Sean, how are you?
I'm fine, and yourself?
You know, waiting for you. Look, Sean Young's basketball is hosting a basketball camp in Aruba, July 17 to July 28. Tell us more about this event.
Yes, we're going to be hosting our first camp in Aruba at Aruba Juniors basketball court. July 17th through the 28th, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for boys and girls. We've been doing our camp around the world, and I'm so excited to be doing it in Aruba because my mother is from Aruba.
Wow.
And my aunt, Mary Simon, she just passed away last year, and she was a pillar in the community.
Oh, no.
And
now I see why you're so successful. Your mother is from Aruba.
Absolutely.
Look, Sean.
Absolutely.
Look, Sean. What can we expect of this camp in Aruba?
We can expect a lot of fun with the kids, the boys and girls. We could expect them to learn. A lot of fun, a lot of engaging, and just knowing how to learning the game of basketball, learning skills, drills, and many things. We're here to develop the kids' skills, their mindset, and just try to help them and show the world what Aruba has going on there.
Look, Sean, what age are we talking about?
Okay, so we're going to be dealing with kids from 7 to 18, 19 years old. And they don't need to know the game. We're here to teach them the game.
What do you expect to see and the athletes from Aruba?
Hard work. Hard work. Because I've been in and out of Aruba. I've helped train kids with a local coach there called Coach Milton. And it's one thing I know about the kids in Aruba. They work hard. They work really hard. So I can't wait. I can't wait to show them, to teach them, so that the world could see again what the kids in Aruba has, what kind of skills they have. We want to give them the opportunity to play at, a high school, college, and professional level.
One thing I can tell you, they are not afraid of challenges.
No, they're not. No, they are not. I am a witness to it. So I'm very excited, and it's going to be really fun. They're going to learn so much. They're going to enjoy playing. They're going to enjoy training, because our staff, our organization really makes it fun for them.
What are you going to expose to them in this camp?
Well, we're going to expose a lot of, I'll say, a lot of different ways of playing, a lot of different ways of working, a lot of different ways of training. It's not just one way of training and learning, and we'll show them how to grow and how to learn. And I think like this: we make it fun for them so that they'll come back for more. Okay, a lot of kids, if you give it to them really, really hard, rough, and they don't like it, they won't come back. You have to make things fun for them. You have to make the training fun. Yeah. So we do a lot of competition, a lot of exercising, but it's going to be fun.
That's nice. That's great. That's great to hear that. Televidente, la clase de Timeout, cortica siniquinos, mi back los Damasco, Sean Scaroborough, directamente fuera de Los Ángeles.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Televidente, danke perché con nosotros el señor Sean Scaroborough, directamente de Los Ángeles. Sean, what are the future plans with youngsters basketball with Aruba?
Yes, so we'll love to continue the camp, a yearly camp, so that, again, the schools from, the States, because a lot of kids would love to go to the States and pursue their education through sports. So we would love to, again, showcase the kids to the schools in the States, high school, college, and, the next level. So we'll love to make this a big event, but we really need the people on the island to be a part of it. We want everyone to be a part of this.
That's nice.
Okay?
That's nice.
We want everyone to be a part of it. The parents, the businesses, everyone. we need everyone's support so that this can grow the way it should be
After,
grown. And
after this
af-
camp, Sean, after
mhm,
this camp, our players, our basketball players, will they be a better basketball player, a happier basketball player? How can you define it?
they will be a better person. They will be better at communicating, better at dealing with issues. Their game will speak for themselves. They will be better. I've had parents come up to me and say, "Hey, listen, wow, it was just a week or two, and I can see a huge difference in their kids' play, in their kids' attitude, because it's not just on court, it's what you do off court too." So we make sure that we teach them, the right way of playing.
What do
Okay?
you expect to what do you expect to reach with this camp in Aruba?
Greatness. Greatness. Um, I expect um, there's going to be a couple of diamonds in the rough there that we can showcase, and that will put Aruba back on the map in basketball. Okay, we need to show the world that, yes, Aruba got, the baseball, the football, the football players, you know, but they also have a good basketball stream there of kids. So, again, I'm excited about this camp and the possibilities.
Look, development in each sport doesn't depend on a occasion camp. It got to be something continuous. Is it this the plan?
Absolutely. Yes, with the help of the local coaches there, we're going to continue in in a way where we leave the camp, they're still going to be working on the kids through the local coaches. So again, we need the local coaches' support also. And I know that we have a couple of coaches. Coach Milton is a big supporter, so I thank him and the other local coaches.
How do you grade discipline in this camp?
How how do
How do you
I?
grade discipline in this camp?
Well, again, it has to be taught. Um, if um, if a kid isn't used to it, we have to teach them, and um, we take our time because each kid is uh, different than the other. So we have to take our time with the kids. The kids need need direction and guidance. So you know, we take our time with that, and
One,
each kid is separate.
one
So,
last question. How long are
hmm
you busy with this?
I'm sorry.
How long are you busy with this movement?
How long have I been doing the camp? Wow, I've been I've been in this business for over 20 years.
Wow,
We
that's
started
great.
in Brooklyn, New York, and we did camps in Africa. I've trained kids in Los Angeles, Atlanta, New York, so it's worldwide.
Great.
And again, I'm so excited to come to Aruba July 17th to the 28th. because it's just something really, really close to my heart. So
Great, great.
I'm very excited.
Televidente,
Family.
wow, que honor. De maneira que também de 17 para 28 de julho, na Aruba Juniors, também tem um lugar, de não é por ainda para três tarde, também tem diferente muita, vega de basquetebol. E tem 20 anos de experiência com o hobby. Por não é só tem tanto anos fazendo trabalho aqui. Tem algo seguro com os deportes de basquetebol. Lo por, assim, bom uso de dia. Sean, I want to thank you very much and hope all the best for you when you come to Aruba and have a very successful camp in Aruba. Thank you, Sean.